rock and learn! The alphabet used in English has 26 letters, but 5 are special. These letters are called vowels. A, E, I, O, and U. Sometimes Y is a vowel too. All other letters are called consonants. Y can be a consonant or a vowel. Here's a song about the vowels and some of the sounds they make.
Letters make sounds, sounds make words to speak, write, and read. Vowels are letters with an open mouth sound, sounds that all words need. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Sometimes Y, sometimes Y, A, E, I, O, U. And sometimes Y, sometimes Y, A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. If a letter is not a vowel, then it is a consonant.
Consonant, consonant.
Sing together, we can learn. Don't ever think you can't.
You can learn.
A, E, I, O, U. And sometimes Y, sometimes Y. A, E, I, O, U. And sometimes Y, sometimes Y. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels can make their long sounds. A, E, I, O, U. But vowels do more than say their names. They can make short sounds too.
Look at these vowels. Say the sounds and words with me. A makes the short sound apple. Apple. E makes the short sound egg. Egg. I makes the short sound igloo. Igloo. O makes the short sound ostrich. Ostrich. U makes the short sound up. Up. Now let's play a game. See if you can say the sounds before I do. A. Apple. E. Egg. I. Igloo. O. Ostrich. U. Up.